I'm back again with another video, and this time, you guys, it's gonna be the ROMWE. Now, this video is pretty different from like other ones because this one is just gonna be about more casual wear for like summertime and stuff, because you know, like, girl, is hot. It's very hot. Aquí en Texas está muy caliente. So basically all the clothes that I chose are, you know, summer casual. Yeah, it's cute dolly summer clothes. So, you know, coming from my last video, the one that I was letting you know about, you know, like casual dollcore wear, well, I guess you guys can get some inspiration off of this video to see how I style all the clothes that I've got. So yeah, les voy a dejar en paz. I'm gonna let you guys watch in peace, you know, the video without me talking. So yeah, I'll just be showing you everything, and yeah, I will be reviewing in caption format. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let me know what you all think.
We're gonna play a new song, none of that old shit.
A fleeting sense of romance. You used to take it when you had the chance. Shut in the prison for yourself you created. All the hurt and strain feels dated. Choose to let the baggage weigh you down. Type of thing you thought you hated. Vomit on the canvas. Take a moment to feel out emotional advancement. A pat on the back for it. Even through the muck you can catch the light still flashing. Catch the light still flashing.
As long as someone still got one, so does others.
Little bird told me door 1, 2, or 3. Not a creature like a butterfly. You're a fucking flea. Walking in the can. Got a hockey puck to my knees. Swallow a bird. You can be the bird and the bee. Pour you out a cup of tea. You really want to talk about it, you're afraid to see. Life is a wooden hard shit till 17. Celebrate a game of survival, it's a living spree.
Humans have been tricked. We have been the destroyed and the destroyer without demonic or divine guidance.